everyone, welcome to the first episode of Nasa's challenge. And today we have two teams and one funny game. It looks like easy, but trust me, it's not.
Yeah, it is easy.
And now let's meet our team. Here, team 1
Hey!
and team 2. Today's challenge is very simple. Each player will get one bundle of keratin tip here. Your job is to split the bundle into 2 equal parts. You can only use your eyes and your hands. No scale, no measuring tools. When you finish, put the 2 parts on the scales. After that, don't touch the hair anymore, and player with smallest difference wins the round. The winning team gets 1 point. After 4 rounds, the team with the most points wins today's challenge. Are you ready? Yes! Let's go! 1, 2, 3. Okay, team B, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Go!
How many? Oh, 58, 57. Good, very good. And
No, good.
wow! Calm down. Okay.
Take it easy.
No, take it easy.
Slow down.
Difficult.
Steady, be steady.
Go loose.
Do đi.
Why you great? 90 plus. Right.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay.
Team 1. 3, 2, 1, go!
Good. See good.
Not really
Good,
good.
good.
Not really good.
Good.
50 and 200. Not really good.
Oh.
51 and
80.
80 and...
không. Jack này thu là quả 20 rồi.
Please come down.
Sophia.
Ok, người chơi tốt nhất. Ok, đi xem. Ok.
85.
Vừa nói cho.
Oh, 7 gram.
The gift for the winner.
Yeah.
Open right now.
Ok, and now tại Kelvin. Ok, on you three, or to see. Ok, 1, 2, 3.
Thắng rồi.
No, gonna miss.
Ok.
You win already. Rồi. Chậm rồi, bình tĩnh rồi, chậm rồi. Slow down. Easy.
Very different.
Hey. No.
Too different.
6 gram. Okay, my bro. Just in me, okay. Just in me, okay. Just in me. Okay.
Fighting. Robert.
He come down.
Albert.
Yeah, check it.
Albert.
Check it easy.
Okay. Let's check. Each bundle. This one is.
No easy.
This one is 53.
Okay, that's good.
And
Let's start.
Grab it.
oh, my I like this. Okay.
Okay.
So,
Good.
yeah.
Thank you again. Wow.
Lady first.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Lady first. Lady first. Thua mà.
Samuel. Okay.
You win. You go first. Okay.
Just eat.
Okay. Samuel. Okay. Let's go.
I think this time 20 gram different.
Be careful.
Are you confident?
And
Okay, that.
seems different than that.
Oh.
Sim different.
เอาดิช่วยว่าโอเค sitting be sitting
Cheating. Cheating.
ก้าว it's run out of time right now
I think this one.
67
Seven
Oh no You count 67 So far
ต้องมี different ต้องมียากนิดนึงต้องมี grab นิดนึงต้องมีgrab นิดนึง
ใช่เหรอ
don't need grab นิดนึง
Oh my god
I don't need to play anymore okay
Okay
play
let's do this
play I don't need to play anymore
Oh my god let's see
just
Let's see.
okay just that okay just that
Yeah
okay
randomly
Today, tomorrow, I smile.
okay maybe oh no go okay I think that too I think it's really good this one I think 60 I just I just play for
Oh my god
yeah I said 60
So far we still win
yeah
Yes yeah
and the reason
Congratulations team 2 And thank you for watching and
good luck next time
yeah, and let's like and subscribe our channel to the next here challenge. Bye.